Oh yeah. Snow on the ground.
How you doing, guys? This is Chris at Dentless Touch. Hope you guys like that intro. We're going to start doing some new things in 2018. So, you probably have already seen this damage. My access point is going to be below here. If not, I'll have to take the tail light out, but I'm not trying to take the tail light out for this repair. We'll see. This actually has a clear bra over top of it, so that adds a little complexity to this repair. Let's get started. Alright guys, I'm gonna switch off to the dent dial. Again, you guys probably already know the reason why, leverage. So we're gonna see if we can actually start moving some metal here. Alright guys, let's take a look at what the finished product is. Alright, thanks for watching and subscribe for more content. You want to say something?
Jesus is in the house.